Hello, my name is Raphael Chuku. I'll be your teacher on this topic: payroll calculation, salary structure for your company or organization, your offices, your hospitals, your schools, and even your personal work. We encourage you to go and watch our videos on how to get the level-based allowances and gross salary and the deductions. We've already done those ones, so quickly go and check them to follow up. You can look at the level-based allowance, how dynamic and deep it is, because it considers the level of the staff and the basic salary. So equally the gross salary and then the deductions. The deductions are made on the basic salary of the staff members whose punctuality rating is below 50%. So as a matter of fact, if a staff member's punctuality rating is 50% or above, the company will not slam any deductions on you. But if your punctuality rating is below 50%, as you can see for the case of Mike, his rating is 40%, so he's been slammed with 10% of his basic salary, which is 50,000. 10% of 50,000, which is 5,000, and the rest for this. So today we're going to look at how to calculate the net salary, which is actually the remainder of your salary after all the deductions. So the net salary is gross salary minus deductions, so equal to in this case gross salary is N9 minus deductions here is O9. Understand? Press enter, so you can see you drag it or you click to get for the rest of the stuff. So it's pretty simple. There's no difference between this and this because there is no deduction. So this one is 48. It's been slammed down from 53,500 to 48,500 because of the deduction of 5,000. So you see, it's pretty simple and very essential for your offices data analysis and presentation. So we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for loads of more of our videos that we believe we help accelerate your company, your offices, your hospitals and your schools in terms of data presentation. Thank you.